Heat advisory now in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday. Temperature. Heat indices Sunday afternoon are expected to range from 98 to 103 degrees, with lows tonight only falling into the mid-70s. The following impacts are expected. These heat indices during the day will lead to increased risk for heat-related illnesses for those active outdoors or with limited access to air-conditioned spaces. A heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun and check up on relatives and neighbors. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible and drink plenty of water. Repeating, the heat advisory has been extended until 9 p.m. Sunday for the following counties in Minnesota: Rice and Wright. Now the forecast for the